there, I'm Tonimarie and I hope you guys have been having a great week so far. I just wanted to say welcome to my channel and I'm really glad that you're here. In today's video, as you can probably see, we'll definitely be doing some cleaning, some dishes. I'll also be doing some vacuuming and mopping the floor. And then I also just recently learned the best way to cut a pineapple, which I feel like, well, probably the best way I've found so far. So I wanted to share that with you guys a bit later on in the video as well. So I know with New Year's coming up, I've been thinking a lot about it and about how starting a new year can be kind of both refreshing and overwhelming at the same time. So depending on how you're feeling, I just wanted to remind you that every moment is a new beginning. If something doesn't go according to plan, I don't have to have the mindset that I've ruined the whole day and that I should just start off next week, because I don't know if you're similar to me, but that's what I usually do. And so lately I've been trying to focus more on just kind of trying to make my next decision be the best one that I can. So if I ate unhealthy for breakfast, that doesn't necessarily mean that I need to continue that habit for lunch, and that I can make sure to choose something nutritious for my next meal. Or just because I didn't get everything done on my to-do list for this year, it doesn't mean that I failed. It just means that now I know the first things that I get to work on at the beginning of the year. So reminding myself that every moment is a new beginning, not every January 1st, not every Monday, not every tomorrow, not every beginning of the week. In every moment, you have the choice and the opportunity to begin again. So I'm just encouraging you to remind yourself of that whenever you feel like you need it, because I know that I definitely need that reminder, and it's something I'm going to be working on in the new year. So here it is actually several days later. I was cleaning the dishes and the oven the other day, and as I was doing the dishes, I don't think I caught it on video, but out of nowhere, my neck just started hurting so bad. I really had intentions to kind of deep clean all of my kitchen that day, and I started off with the dishes, and literally out of nowhere, my neck just started hurting. So I kind of just had to finish up with the oven, and I went and laid down for the rest of the day because I just was not feeling good. So this is a couple of days later and I'm still not feeling great here, but definitely feeling better than I was that day when everything with the dishes started happening. I'm just curious, have you guys ever had that happen where you're not even doing anything strenuous or anything like that and you just start getting this pain where you have to stop like that? If you enjoy getting some little bits of encouragement and also feeling like you're cleaning along with a friend, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It really, really, really does help. And I also love getting to talk with you guys and connect with you. So if you haven't already, make sure that you comment down below and just introduce yourself. I love getting to know you, where you're from, and like what kinds of things you like seeing in the videos or like what you get out of it, just all that kind of stuff. I love getting to know you. I used to sweep my floors all the time, but then I started finding that because we have a Labrador Retriever, that there was just still all kinds of hair and like pet dander and stuff like that on the floor even after I was done sweeping. So I started vacuuming my floors, and I absolutely love it because it just feels like it leaves my floors so much cleaner, and I really don't understand why I didn't start doing this earlier. I always joke that Brewer's a really considerate puppy because whenever I have like a cord across the hallway like this, or right here I have my tripod set up for my camera, Brewer hates like crossing the cords or getting close to things like that, so he always asks for my help in trying to get around them. And I sort of think it's funny, but I also love it because he really is super considerate and is never knocking stuff over or breaking stuff and things like that. So I just thought that was funny to include here. As I was recording this video, it was before Christmas, so that's why we have some presents under the tree and stuff. But as I'm doing the voiceover, it's after Christmas, and I'm getting so excited and ready to take down all of the Christmas decorations and just do such a really big, deep clean of the house, because for me, there's like nothing better than having a house that's like freshly clean and super organized and all of that. So I'm going to be doing tons of videos coming up. I cannot wait to share them with you guys. Here I'm just taking my pineapple out of a brown paper bag, and the reason I have it in there is so that it can ripen a little bit quicker. When we bought the pineapple, it was kind of a dark green color, so I just wanted to make sure that it ripened before it started going bad. And I just watched a video about how to cut pineapples, and it made my life so much easier. I don't know why I didn't figure out how to do this earlier, but you just make sure that you cut off the top and the bottom just like that, and then you can kind of cut out that centerpiece by doing a V shape. And then from there you can kind of just slice them up as you go. And I never thought about this, but just kind of leaving the slices on the rind before you actually cut them off made it go so much quicker. I've never done it this way before, but it was really nice because they were all a similar size and it didn't make such a mess, and so I just felt like I had to share it this way with you. Okay, so that's all that I had for today, but like I said, I have so many things coming up. I have my office closet that really needs a bad clean. I also want to kind of like de-dogify my house, I've been saying. I just want to go through and do a really good deep cleaning and do some of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be having lots of cleaning videos coming up in the next few weeks, so don't forget to hit the like button, and then also make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of those future videos. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here today, and I really hope that you have an amazing new year and a happy new year in 2022.